Step into the lap of luxury as we unveil the top 7 luxurious motorhomes in the world. Marvel at the craftsmanship of these multi-million-dollar whizzes, equipped with opulent amenities like smart home automation. Join our exclusive tour of these pinnacle vehicles where no expense is spared to bring 5-star accommodations to your Odyssey. Let's get right into it. Number 7. Vario Perfect. Let me tell you about this unbelievable luxury RV called the Vario Perfect. It's like $1 million mansion on wheels for you. This motorhome is 42 feet long and has these cool slide-outs on the sides that you can extend once you park to make the interior space massive. We're talking roomy enough for you to throw a dinner party in there. It even has a built-in garage that can fit your SUV or sports car, so you can bring your favorite ride-along on your journeys. And get this, it comes with solar panels, a generator, and satellite TV already hooked up and ready to go for you. The kitchen is insane. We're talking professional-grade appliances, like an induction cooktop and wine fridge for you. And the bathroom is spa-like, with ultra-luxurious finishes for you. Only the finest materials are used throughout, like polished wood and Italian leather. No detail has been overlooked with this motorhome for you. It has all the latest tech and innovations you could ever want. I mean, with a multi-million-dollar price tag, it better be an absolutely unmatched luxury experience for you. The Vario Perfect is the cream of the crop when it comes to high-end RVs. You'd love to take one for a test drive one day. What do you think? Number 6. RS Elysian. The pinnacle of prestige, the Elysian motorhome epitomizes first-class travel elevated. Built on a Volvo XC90 chassis, its contemporary exterior belies an interior of pure indulgence. Plush ostrich leathers, rare chestnut burlwoods, and Italian Calicata gold marbles exude elegance. Automate lighting, climate and entertainment with Savant smart home technology. Retreat to the Master Suite's spa bathroom with soaking tub, steam shower, and heated floors. The gourmet kitchen satisfies with a 48-inch Thermador range, Miele coffee system, and custom cabinetry. Entertain lavishly in the refined lounge with 4K TVs and Sonos sound. Dine al fresco on the outdoor patio with motorized awning and grill. With every detail attending to comfort, the over $2 million price brings unmatched quality and sophistication on the road. The Elysian is the pinnacle motorhome for discerning travelers. Number 5. Carthago Chic C-Line. Experience luxury motorhoming made accessible with the Carthago Chic C-Line. Starting under $120,000, it delivers premium features without breaking the bank. The gourmet kitchen impresses with solid Carrara marble countertops, a 3-burner gas cooktop, full-size fridge, and a built-in Nespresso machine. Unwind in the living area's ultra-soft leather chairs and extendable slide-out section. Dual climate zones and whisper-quiet AC allow customized comfort. Appreciate the hushed sanctuary created by audio damping, composite walls, and noise-reducing flooring. The spa-inspired bathroom provides a rainfall shower, designer sink, and vacuum toilet. Upscale details like dimmable LED ceiling lights, electric one-touch blinds, a power panoramic skylight roof window, and rear side cameras add safety and style. Built on a Mercedes 4x4 chassis, the C-Line lets you enjoy luxury furnishings, technology, and appointments for 20 to 40% less. It makes premium motorhoming remarkably attainable. Number 4. Camby Classic GT. Relive vintage Volkswagen camper nostalgia while enjoying modern-day luxury in the Camby Classic GT. Priced around $73,000, this meticulously custom-built motorhome exudes character and premium quality. The fiberglass exterior channels a 1960s VW bus, but inside you'll discover contemporary refinement. Camby uses fine finishes like solid alderwood cabinetry, Corian countertops, and designer upholstery fabrics chosen from a vast palette. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500, the GT equips you for off-grid adventure with a 48-liter freshwater tank, 60-liter refrigerator freezer, and 240-volt electrical hookup. Each Classic GT involves over 300 hours of bespoke construction accused on reliability and comfort. Choose options like an Espar diesel hydronic heating system, exterior storage lockers, swivel cab seats, and solar panels to add function. For those wanting a fully customized luxury motorhome merging retro personality with up-to-date amenities, the Camby Classic GT delivers the best of both worlds with rugged capability and refined relaxation. Number 3. Element Palazzo Step into a realm of bespoke indulgence in the Element Palazzo Superiore, a custom-built land yacht with a price tag surpassing $2 million. This 45-foot mobile mansion spares nothing to pamper its occupants. Enter the forward Sky Lounge with panoramic views through floor-to-ceiling windows. At the touch of a button, the automatic roof deck expands to create an alfresco entertaining oasis. Personalize comfort with 4 unique climate zones throughout the coach. Sleep sublimely in the master's suite, furnished with Hasten's mattresses supplied to European royalty. Unwind in the spa-inspired bathroom with volcanic stone tiling, rainfall shower, and exotic wood finishes. The Superior excels with gourmet kitchen, automated blinds, and audio-visual systems. Handcrafted by Marchi Mobile, an eminent Austrian manufacturer, every inch of the Palazzo Superior bespeaks bespoke luxury. With virtually endless customization and top-tier amenities, it promises an unmatched luxury motorhome experience. Number 2. Weber Dementia Lino. Experience one-of-a-kind luxury in the Weber Dementia Lino Edition, one motorhome. This completely bespoke coach exemplifies opulence with lavish amenities from front to rear. Unwind in the spa-inspired master bathroom with a jetted soaking tub, dual polished stone vanities, and a walk-in shower with rain shower heads and bench seating. The gourmet kitchen dazzles with a full range of Miele appliances, Italian marble counters, and a large island with bar seating ideal for entertaining. The master bedroom pampers occupants with a king-size Hasten Swedish mattress adorned in 600 thread count linens. Outfit the guest room with twin XL beds or another queen. Relax in the open concept living area with ultra-soft leather sofas focused around a 50-inch fireplace, an 85-inch entertainment center, or escape to the private office equipped with a desk and printer. Outside, enjoy alfresco parties under the stars, in the entertainment zone with 60-inch outdoor TV, 18-speaker audio system, and Link Smart Grill. Savant Automation seamlessly controls lighting, climate, AV, and more throughout the coach for total comfort, convenience, and connectivity. With its virtually endless bespoke amenities, the Weber Dementia Lino Edition. One is the utmost expression of luxury motorhoming. Number 1. Phaeton. Experience superior comfort and freedom to explore in a luxury motorhome like the Phaeton. Its powerful engine can handle tough terrain, while amenities like automated leveling, padded chairs, and a quiet cabin ensure a smooth journey. Well-designed living spaces give ample room to lounge or entertain. Cook anything from snacks to gourmet meals in the fully equipped kitchen. Retreat to the master suite for relaxation at day's end. From the full-body shower to surround sound theater, the Phaeton brings premium resort-style features along for the ride. High-tech additions like built-in navigation and backup cameras increase convenience. With top-notch construction and an extensive list of amenities, the Phaeton delivers an unrivaled luxury motorhome experience. For those desiring first-class travel, it's the perfect blend of comfort, performance, and prestige. Were the customizable amenities like rainfall showers and smart home tech as appealing as I found them? Share your favorite features. Now I want to hear from you. Which motorhome was your favorite? Are there any other luxury models you think should have made the list? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on lavish vehicles and upscale amenities, don't forget to like,